Hey, I'm Aspen with Scout. Today I want to show you one of our AI integrations, our MCP server. We'll quickly go over what it is, why it's helpful, and a real workflow we use ourselves to fix production performance issues without leaving the AI editor. The best part is that it's totally free to use and included in all of our Scout plans. Our MCP server is compatible with coding assistants like Claude, Cursor, VS Code, and Copilot. Once connected, your AI assistant has direct access to your production monitoring data. Instead of copying and pasting traces or errors into a chat window, your assistant can now query Scout directly and suggest fixes accordingly. Once connected, it'll cover everything in your Scout account. So slow endpoints, N+1s, errors, background jobs, memory bloat, app metrics, and usage data, to name a few. Your AI assistant can call any of these tools mid-conversation and use the results to help you debug. Here's just one example of a workflow we highlighted in a recent case study with AccuBliss. They noticed a slow endpoint and wanted to know why. So instead of opening Scout in the browser and pulling traces and trying to interpret them manually, they asked Claude Code directly. So you can type in a prompt like, "What are my worst N+1 queries?" Claude Code calls the Scout MCP, pulls the N+1s for their app, and returned a ranked list. So it included endpoint name, number of queries firing, and potential time savings. In their case, one endpoint was firing 418 SQL queries per request. So a follow-up prompt could be, "What is likely a fix for this one?" Claude Code identifies the confirmed N+1 patterns, shows the specific queries, and points to the exact file responsible. The whole investigation took under 3 minutes. So that's the workflow we use as well, where Scout surfaces the problem, Claude Code explains it and suggests the fix, and you ship without ever leaving your AI editor. Setup is quick. It only takes about 2 minutes. You just add the Scout MCP server config to your editor, authenticate with your Scout key, and you're done. If you're new to Scout, you can start a free 2-week trial. All of our plans include errors, tracing, and logs for a comprehensive view of your application. If you have questions, feedback, or want to share prompts you use, we would love for you to join our Discord community to keep the conversation going. Thanks.